How many orgs have design systems? It seems like I tend to have a very indie lens, so I'm always scaling up to largers. But I know that design systems are things that we talk about a lot on podcasts, and there's people who like go and teach how to have a design system. But I feel like this is something that like high quality, well invested orgs have, but most of us don't have.
I see a lot of startups with design systems as well.
Okay.
It depends on what you define as design systems, right? Like
Oh yeah.
Okay. What do you
material
define?
design is a design
Yeah.
system used by like thousands of companies, right? Or you have Ant Design or these open source design systems, right? I would still count that as the company having a design system, even
Okay.
though they didn't build it, right? They're
Sure.
using a design system. And if you think about it like that, the vast majority are using some kind of design system, I think. Like, that's not an official stat. It's just like, that's the feeling I get.
Sure. That's fair. I just think that to a certain extent it is a barrier to getting started, but maybe because of open source and because of the proliferation of at least low cost available design systems, you could get started relatively easy. Maybe like the, steps, two or three of startup is like business idea, right? Some sort of feature list or a go to market strategy, and then like some kind of a design system so that you can start building that thing.
Yeah, but also design systems aren't a binary thing. It's not like you either have or you don't have one. Even like, week one as a startup, you'll probably be like,